So this is your coursework, as you can see it here. Okay, so there are 4 tasks for you to do. Okay, quiz 1, quiz 2, presentation and report writing. Okay, quiz 1, the start date is 29 July, which means you start studying from 29 July, or you can start studying from today lah. But the quiz will be on the 5th of August. Quiz 2 will be on the 17th of September. Okay, which means you start studying from 10 September. You have that much of time to study lah. Okay. And then presentation will start on the 9th of July, which is this Friday. And then you will submit your presentation on the 16th of July, because this is a very short presentation, okay? And then you have a report writing task, which will begin on the 16th of August, and you will submit it on the 6th of September. Okay, so these are important dates that you need to remember, okay? So course learning outcomes and the course objectives, you can read yourself, okay? Okay, let's go straight to the task. Task 1, as I told you just now, is an online quiz, consists of 20 objective questions, which you will do in 30 minutes. Quiz 1 will test questions from topics 1 and 3. Okay, so right now, currently, you are studying topic 2. So after you finish topic 3 only, you will be doing quiz 1. Okay, quiz 2 also same, 30 minutes, 20 objective questions from topics 4, 5, and 6. So quiz 2 will be quite late at the end of your course. Okay, so quiz 1, task 1 and task 2 are both quizzes. Okay, okay. Then we move on to task 3. Task 3 is a presentation task, which you will do in groups. Okay, groups maximum 3 persons. You can have less than 3, but better if you have 3 lah. Weightage for this task is 10%. Okay, so let's look at the scenario first. While we know the decimal system and are very comfortable with performing operations using this system, it is also important for us to understand that the decimal system is not the only system in the world. Okay, by studying other numeral systems such as binary, quaternary, and octal, hexadecimal, and so forth, we will gain a better understanding of how number systems work in general. Okay, so this task is about number systems, or base numbers. Okay, so this task is regarding topic 2, which you are currently studying now. Okay, so based on examples, analyze and make connections between numbers of various bases, and then present the connection using verbal and visual communication through Google Meet presentation. Length of presentation must not exceed 30 minutes. That means in your group, you will analyze and make connections between numbers of various bases. Okay, once you have done all the analysis, you will present it. Okay, how you will present? Through Google Meet. Your presentation must not be more than 30 minutes. Okay, when you're presenting, you can present verbally, or you can present with pictures or with PowerPoint. Okay, so it's up to you how you present. Okay, what do we mean by analyze? Analyze means you want to compare and contrast. Okay, you want to compare and contrast between numbers of various bases. In this topic, you have learned base 2 up to base 16. So you have to limit your coursework to base 2 up to base 16 only. Okay, no need to any other bases, no need, only 2 to 16. So all your examples that you give, use for base 2 up to 16. Okay, okay, let's look at the rubric first. When you read your coursework, you must always read together with the rubric. Okay, so this is the rubric for task 3. This rubric tells you how we are going to mark your assignment. Okay, so let's look at the high distinction category here. Okay, so this assignment will be graded according to 3 criteria. Okay, because task 3 is a presentation assignment, so communication is very important. Okay, communication and collaboration and team skills are very important. Every time you have group work, these 2 things are looked into, okay? So when it comes to communication, we want to see if you have the ability to convey ideas very clearly, coherently, confidently, and convincingly, okay? And we also want to see if you have worked together in your group. Okay, we want to see if you are high distinction, that means you have very good collaboration between team members. You work very well together, and this we can see during your presentation. Very active participation of all team members. That means all team members in the group must take part in the presentation. Okay, everyone must have their own section that they are going to present. Okay, organization of the presentation is very logical and coherent. You present very smoothly, no gaps in between. Okay, very smoothly, very clearly. So that is regarding communication and collaboration and team skills. Okay, and then we're going to look at your critical thinking skills. This is where your content comes in. Okay, so how you understand and analyze your content. We want to see if you have very high ability to analyze and make clear connections between numbers of various bases. And if you have very good and accurate examples are given, if you have chosen your examples carefully and clearly to showcase each criteria that you compare and contrast on. Okay, so this is your task 3. So do you have any questions regarding task 3? Okay, so since you don't have any questions, we move on to task 4. Okay, task 4 is a report writing task. This task is individual and weightage is 30%. So 30% of all your coursework goes to this task. Quiz 1 is 10%, quiz 2 is 10%. Your presentation is 10% and this is 30%. So altogether is 60%. Okay. While routine problem solving concerns solving problems that are useful for daily living, non-routine problem solving. Okay, here we are focusing on non-routine problem solving. And this is mostly concerned with developing students' mathematical reasoning power and fostering the understanding that mathematics is a creative endeavor. From the point of view of students, having students do non-routine problem solving can be challenging, interesting, and encourage inductive thinking. Non-routine problem-solving ability is becoming more important in today's technological, complex, and demanding world. It can be seen as evoking an "I tried this, I tried that," and eureka. Eureka means suddenly I found it. Because non-routine problems you cannot solve through arithmetic. Okay, arithmetic is addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. These arithmetic procedures you can use to solve routine problems, but non-routine problems you cannot solve during using arithmetic. So you have to try many different strategies and maybe you'll find the answer. Okay, so non-routine problem solving involves a search for heuristics. Heuristics are strategies to solve problems. There is no convenient model or no fixed solution path that is available. You have to try a few different strategies until you find the solution. Okay, so this assignment is all about non-routine problem solving. Okay, so select a topic from topics 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what you have to do first. Okay, topic 3 is on prime numbers and composite numbers. Topic 4 is on number patterns. Topic 5 is modular numbers and magic squares. Topic 6 is rational numbers, and topic 7 is irrational numbers. So from these topics, you choose only one topic. Okay, many of you tend to choose topic 3 because by the time you start this assignment, you will be studying topic 3. So you tend to choose topic 3, but don't be afraid to try out other topics as well. Maybe topic 6, 7, maybe you can find good problems there. Okay, because this is coursework is on your own. You have to do your own research and reading. Okay, then based on the scenario, explore non-routine problems involving the type of numbers specified in your topic. If you choose, say, for example, topic 6, rational numbers, then you find a non-routine problem about rational numbers. Okay, a non-routine problem involving rational numbers. Discuss the problems and show how to solve the problem using several alternatives of non-routine problem-solving heuristics, complete with illustrations and detailed calculations. Okay, because these non-routine problems are all on mathematics topics, so it will involve calculation. Okay, so when you solve these non-routine problems, you have to solve using more than one method. That's why we say alternatives. Okay, you have to solve using more than one method. And when you show your way of solving, make sure you have you explain in detail, show all the calculations in detail. If there's any drawing of figures or illustration, show that clearly. Okay, justify on your choice of heuristics, because you will be using more than one method. So you must tell why you are using those methods, why you chose those methods that you have given us. Okay, and then finally write a report on the results of your exploration. Report is limited to 1,000 words. 1,000 words only for the words. Any diagram or table drawings doesn't count in the 1,000 words. When I say write a report, it doesn't mean, I know some of you will go and find format laporan and then you will give us the format laporan. We don't want that. Okay, write a report means everything that you did, you want to present it to your lecturer. So just write it down. Okay, write it down. Make your own subheadings so that you can organize your writing clearly and coherently. Okay, and then send it in. So all you need to give us is what is the problem. First you have to tell us what topic you're doing. Okay, clearly put there which topic. If it's topic 6, put there, I chose a problem from topic 6, rational numbers. Explain your problem clearly. Okay, and then give the solution. Solution 1, explain clearly. Solution 2, explain clearly. And then tell why I chose solution 1 and why I chose solution 2. Finished. That's all. Okay, let's look at the rubric. Okay, so rubric for task 4. Okay, so here you will be evaluated on 3 criteria. Your content knowledge, okay, your critical thinking and problem solving skills, and organization. Okay, organization is how you organize your report. Is it easy for us to read? Is your solution here and maybe the other solution cannot find it somewhere? Okay, so it must be very organized. All visuals, graphics, and presentation of reports excellent. Okay, show us anything that you use, you have to show very clearly. Okay, that is organization. For content knowledge, we want to see that you have very high content knowledge of the type of number. If your problem is on rational numbers, then all your calculations must be correct. Then we know that you understand rational numbers. All explanations and term usage of the type of number are very clear, correct, and accurate. All the vocabulary that you use for the topic that you choose must all be correct. Okay, for the next criteria is critical thinking and problem solving skills. Since this is a problem solving question, okay, so we want to see if you have very high ability to select appropriate non-routine problem for the specified topic. Okay, so make sure you select a non-routine problem. Don't select a routine problem. These topics can have routine problems. Okay, routine problems if you can solve using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or if there is already an algorithm to solve it, and then it's a routine problem. Non-routine problem is when you read the problem, you don't know where to begin. Okay, there is no known algorithm to solve it. So that's a non-routine problem. So first step, you must have the ability to choose an appropriate non-routine problem. And you must also have the ability to analyze and discuss problem solving strategies. Okay, you must choose the correct problem solving strategies, show how you go about solving the problem, okay, show all detailed calculations. Okay, illustrations will help us see and understand the problem clearly. Okay, and very high ability to find alternative solutions to the problem. Okay, alternative solutions means you must have more than one solution. Okay, so that's it for your second task 4. Okay.